دا د چا دپاره دی؟
Who is this for? Who is this for?
دا زما ضرور دپاره دی.
This is for my brother. This is for my brother.
ته کله راغلی؟
When did you come? When did you come?
زه 10 منټس یا 10 دقیقې مخکې راغلم.
I came 10 minutes ago. I came 10 minutes ago.
آیا ته احمد پیژنې؟
Do you know Ahmad? Do you know Ahmad?
هو زه یې پیژنم.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
ته نن سبا څه کوې؟
What are you doing nowadays? What are you doing nowadays?
زه انګلیسي زده کوم.
I am learning English. I am learning English.
آیا تاسو مصروفه یې؟
Are you busy? Are you busy?
هو زه یم.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
احمد چیرته دی؟
Where is Ahmad? Where is Ahmad?
احمد په کور کې دی.
Ahmad is at home. Ahmad is at home.
آیا ته سکول ته ځې؟
Do you go to school? Do you go to school?
هو زه سکول ته ځم.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
ته په کوم سکول کې سبق وایې؟
In which school do you study? In which school do you study?
زه په وزډم هاوس پبلک سکول کې سبق وایم.
I study in Wisdom House Public School. I study in Wisdom House Public School.
ستا د خوښې سبجیکټ یا مضمون کوم یو دی؟
What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject?
زما د خوښې مضمون یا سبجیکټ انګلش دی.
My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English.
ټایم څه دی؟
What time is it? What time is it?
2 بجې دي.
It is 2 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock.
د داسې نور ویډیوز لپاره مونږ در سره لایک او فالو کړئ.
Follow and like us for more videos.
الله حافظ.
Allah Hafiz.